Today I am going to show you how you can add your website in Google Search Console in just 5 minutes. So first of all, we have to go to Google Search Console's website. So here, if you can't find this website, it is very easy to find. You can go to Google and then you can search for Google Search Console. It will be the first website that comes on the search result. Here it is. We will click start now, and here is the website that I was talking about. So do remember which Gmail you are using to log into Google Search Console, because that will be important. So now we are going to add the website URL. Do not use HTTP or HTTPS, just www.yourwebsite.com.net or the URL of your website. So make sure it is the correct one, there is no spelling mistakes or anything. Then once you are done, then click continue. Now you will be asked to click the DNS provider option and the record type option. Always use the DNS provider option and also click the TXT recommended option. And here is the code. Now we will copy it, and now we will go to our hosting website. So I am going to log into A2 hosting because that's where I am hosting all my websites. Do remember that based on the hosting that you are using, the screen might look different. So here I am at A2 hosting, and now I am going to log in, and here is my cPanel. So from here we are going to look for zone editor option. So here it is. So here we are on zone editor options. On the left side you will see the list of all the websites that have been hosted on this hosting. So now we will add our search console code to our website. Click the manage option, and from here we will find the website where we want to paste the code or add the code. So let's go to our search console website and copy the code and get back to zone editor and click the add record option. And from here we will click the text option, and then we will, on the valid zone name, we will add the URL of our website. That's it. And on the text section or under the record, we will copy and paste the code that we have received from Search Console. And once we are done, click save records. Now that's done, click verify and wait for a bit. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 minutes to get the code working. So if you have failed on the first try, don't worry about it, and let's try again. And yeah, as you can see, our website has been verified by Search Console. So now from the left side of the screen, we will choose the website which you have just verified in Search Console. If you see this screen, it's successfully done. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more easy to follow tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.